Good morning. Happy Wednesday to y'all. Today we are going to be trying to kind of fine tune the bookshelf that's in the living room. I'm not completely happy with it. It looks really busy to me, and I've been sitting there staring at it for several nights now. Whenever I'm supposed to be watching TV, I'm looking at that bookshelf going, it's just too busy. So I think we're going to try to figure out how to declutter is what the word is. We're going to try to declutter it a little bit. I've got greenery that's on it, and maybe that's what's making it look that way. I don't know. But I had bought a fishnet. It's been a few weeks now, and it's been sitting over there on the counter, still bundled up. I never even opened it. But I think maybe I'm going to take some of that greenery off and try to incorporate that fishnet. I've never tried to decorate with a fishnet, so I don't know how hard this is going to be. It's not near as big as I thought it was going to be, so we may have to cut it or something. I don't know. But like I said, it's a first for me trying to decorate with the fishnet. So I'm going to get this camera set up in there, and I'm going to take all of that greenery off and just kind of look at it from there and kind of see where we want to go. There is that anchor in there, if you remember, and I'll show you in a minute, that is blue. I've been thinking about adding some white to it to kind of brighten it up. That might help because it just kind of gets washed away up there. So let's get in there and we'll see what we need to do to fix it. Okay, so you can see the bookshelf behind me, and I just really think that it's kind of busy looking, and it could be just the greenery that's making it look like that to me. But I got this fishnet a few weeks ago. I think I got it at Big Lots is where I got it. I don't remember. But it's not very long. I mean, you see the length of it, and I didn't know how long it would be. And I don't have the first clue of how to decorate with it. So I don't know, this will be a challenge just trying to figure out what to do with it. I mean, I could wear it as a but so I don't know. I'm going to take all the greenery down and kind of look at it and see what it looks like then. And then this anchor, you see it, sorry, you see how dark it looks up there. I thought about just brushing a little bit of white around the edges, you know, not just covering it white, but putting some white around the edges, kind of dusted, as you could say, and see if that kind of helps lighten it up. So I may do that this morning too. So let's get busy. Okay, I got the anchor down, and I've got some white paint, so we're fixing to kind of dust this, and hopefully it turns out okay. So let me get this camera angled down here and we'll get started. Okay, I like it. Looks a little bit more rustic farmhouse look. Looks pretty good. I think it'll show up better up there on that shelf now. So let's get back over there. Okay, I'm going to show you what I have done so far. We're going to have to continue this come Friday because I've got to get to work. if you'll see, up there is the anchor. And it shows up a little bit more. But I've cut my fishnet in half, and this is where I've put it so far. See, I kind of draped it like that dolphin is caught in a net. And then, if you remember, I had a hen sitting in that, and I took it out and put that seahorse in there and put a shell. I don't know if the grass will stay there. I put it back in there for now. I've kept that the same because I kind of liked it. And then over here, I put my other cow picture. That way it kind of goes with the one that's up there to keep the farmhouse look. And then I got this lamp at World Market, and I put it up there, and I'm trying to hide the cord because the plug is up underneath. But I gotta keep the on-off switch, so it's kind of buried back there. So I may put some kind of grass to try to hide that, I'm not sure. And I'm thinking about putting the other fishnet over here on this side, kind of wrapped around the anchor. But we'll do it tomorrow. I mean, we'll do it Friday. Today's Wednesday. And then up there on top, I've just set that vase up there so far. I don't know what else I'll put up there, so that's it for now. But this is what it looks like so far. I'm liking it a little better. And then this is the bottom. With my little bit of grass from, get that off there. See, it's right next to that table over there because the TV's right there. I'll back up and get a bigger view of it. Okay, I'm on the other side of the couch now, so you can kind of see what this looks like. More of a backed up view. See, there's all my grass that I pulled off in that basket that was up there. But that's it for now. Friday we'll finish it up. I think it'll look good. I think it'll look better. Okay guys, I'm sorry I didn't get it finished today. Friday we will wrap it up. It is fixing to start storming here, and the thing on the phone says in 20 minutes light rain will start, so we'll see if that happens. It was supposed to start it at 5 o'clock this morning, and it is 9:30 and it hasn't started yet, thank goodness. Maybe it'll just kind of go on past us. But Friday we will finish this up, and hopefully it will look good. I mean, it looked okay before. It's just, I say it was busy, but it still looks busy. But I think I kind of like it a little better. That blue vase that I'd painted, I didn't care for it with that grass coming out of it, and maybe that was what was throwing me off. So I took that grass out and put it at the very top where it was initially before, except for it was yellow. But I think I'm gonna like this better. I think what my problem is I'm ready to decorate for fall, so I've already got fall things going in my head about where I'm gonna put stuff. Fall is my most favorite time because I love the reds and the oranges and the yellows. I just love those colors. So I am gearing up to do my summer, what do you want to call it? My summer walkthrough, kind of showing you how everything is. So we'll probably do that in the next couple of weeks. And so I've been thinking about that and how I'm going to do that and what rooms I want to show you and all that good stuff. My daughter's bedroom suite, I told you, is in, but now she's in it all the time since she's out of school. So I'm going to have to go in there and either take pictures or do a video of what her room looks like, probably in one afternoon, since in the morning time she's in there asleep. So I may do that maybe tomorrow night or tonight, try to get a video. Well, I can't tonight, tonight's church. But get a video of her room so I can show you the furniture that we got in there. I really think that you'll like it. We got it from Ashley's. It just, FYI, it takes forever to get in. But I really like it. It's so grown up looking. She really is enjoying it. So that's some things to come. So Friday we will finish this. I may show you, I moved the blooming lamps. Remember the blooming lamps were over here in this area. I may show you where I moved them. I put them in the bedroom. So I didn't like do away with them, but I did move them into another room. So I may show you that Friday. Another area I haven't shown you yet is that farmhouse china cabinet that's in the dining room. I haven't shown you it. I've got the inside of it done, but the top of it I still need to kind of tweak and put some stuff up there. So who knows, we may do that Friday. I'm kind of running out of areas to decorate, so I'm having to get creative here. We still haven't done the outside. I'm waiting on good weather for one, and for my husband to help me get the stuff hung out there, because with that brick, I don't know how to put screws in that mortar where I don't screw something up. So he will have to help me with that. So that's some of the things that's coming up. But for now, this is what I got for you today. I hope y'all have a safe and wonderful happy Wednesday, and I will see y'all Friday. Bye-bye.